gosh, Hawkins, bro.
I might empty my bank account and buy that boy a wooden pipe. Buy that boy a wooden pipe. I might.
Alright, y'all, so good morning. Day one, official day one in Guatemala. We're about to go hike Tikal to go see the Mayan ruins. And yeah, it's about an hour and a half hike up, if I'm not mistaken. And we're about just started, like 5 minutes into the hike, but the sun finally came up, so or enough for us to do this. So that's what we're doing. And look at me knowing where we're going. 2019, bitch.
20 million questions
Whoa.
yesterday during the drive.
Whoa. In front of company?
Yes.
That's disrespectful. That's a house divided. We can't have that.
Not a house divided. I'm just telling you.
No. That's airing out the wrong laundry.
We gotta keep on track. Come on.
Booty? Can I touch that But it does wonders if you're facing this way. So here we are. We made it. My direction skills are on point. Just want to put that out there. I am one with nature. What else? I'm one with nature. I got us through these streets way quicker than they said we would and would. But yeah, so this is the temple. I put some spinning shots here so you guys can see. This is the Grand Plaza right here. Wanted to get some better shots of the ruin thing, but the way the sun is rising, which it looks really good, but it's just not great for photos, so boo. But I know you guys hear these birds. It sounds like it's more than what it is, but we've only seen a few of them fly out of the tree, so they're just loud. And then there are these howler monkey things that you may hear in the footage too, and they cry like they holler, cry, same difference. They make a lot of noise that I don't feel like they should make at 2 o'clock in the morning. Take your to sleep, please. Thank you. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some more B-roll footage. We're gonna walk around a little bit more, try to take some good photos, and then be on our way. Yeah. We're back on the trail, and me was a bit of wildlife. She was shaking it, and we're about to go to like the. No, wait a minute. This road is curving. No. Let's go straight. So, there we go. So we're gonna walk this path. They said it's a 20-minute walk, so. Hopefully we can do it in 15 because, you know, we've been in the gym. Right. So, check back in with y'all once we get there and I'll give y'all a time update. It's now 8:03, so hopefully by, we're going to say 8:03 plus 20, 23 minutes minus 5. 8:18, we should be there, hopefully. Yeah. Alright, so made it, in way quicker time. What did we say? 18? We got here at 8:12. We're at the bottom of the step. Shouldn't take us that long to climb steps to get to the top of it. But yeah, that's your update for right now. We're gonna get up these stairs. You can't see it because it's literally through the jungle, so I won't be able to get you a good shot. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I won't be able to get you good shots going up the steps, but yeah, that's that. Cool. You got any words for the people?
No, I'm trying to figure out what they're trying to say.
I mean, it's getting good information on where we need to walk and go right now. So yeah. Morning. Almost at the top. This is the last of the steps we have to do right here that I'm walking up. But look at the view behind me. That's sick. That is absolutely sick. And look at this light though. Check me out, check me out. Sorry. It's me, what do you expect? Look how steep these steps are. Oh, what did you say we just got?
Got gypped.
No, say it louder for the people. Don't run when you say it. Remember when she told me we ain't get gypped and had a whole attitude on her? Don't walk faster now. Now she don't want to talk, saying we gotta go. We gotta get back on my schedule. I don't write these schedules for my health.
Right.
Pay attention.
And I'm mad I didn't copy the schedule into my iPhone.
You want me to send it to you?
Yeah.
That's me getting back on her good side. I'm putting it in a note and I'm gonna airdrop it to you, okay?
Okay. Because that's what I do to you.
Shh. There, this is just how it feels when the words are reversed, and I can show out. You see how I knew where we were going? It's because I got the schedule in my phone. She don't. 2019. Oh shit. 2019. New year, new me.
Yeah, I knew you said you.
What did we just say? Whoa, bruh. Let me turn this off because she getting mad wow right now on this Oh, this was the area I said I liked. Let me let y'all see it. Give that same energy you just gave. Now you there. You know, that's okay. We finna make it follow. I want that same energy, bro. Now, what was all that? Cash money. Nah, talk, bruh. You can see yourself now. Show out. Nah, show. What did you say?
Nothing.
Where was that whirlwind when I was bugging that said they gonna give you a ride up the thing? A ride.
No one said that there was
Nah, give me that same energy. Oh, y'all, she would turn it up. They didn't want to give that same energy. Why? Why, Sway? They need to know. You crazy. They need to know. But so we're back. We're about to go hop in our car essentially and head back. Head to Belize and continue with this Hawkins experience installment. Come back in the firm, Amelia. Thank you. Until y'all. Oh yeah, so this is probably where we're gonna close out this vlog for Guatemala. Look at that, yeah. This is where we're gonna end this vlog for Guatemala. If you guys have any questions about any tour stuff, any suggestions on a quick trip here, definitely hit us in the comment section. Amelia will more than likely respond from our other account.
How to get her from Belize to Guatemala crossing the border.
About that. But it's gonna be another video, so I'll link where we talk for that. But yeah.